Hi, my name is Ti Hong. I am a dental assistant, instructor, also a beauty technician, and a mom of two beautiful kids. I am also a person who only wanted making financial control of my investments to build wealth and financial freedom for myself and for my family. I just want to make a quick shout out to Tracy for creating this course. I recently finished her online investing course, and I'm very happy with the result. I have gained massive confidence in the stock market, sticking with my high conviction stock, and continuing building and managing my portfolio. I had started investing in early 2020 with a very little knowledge that I learned from my own research. I was struggling picking the right stock for my portfolio. I wasn't sure if the price of the stock is overvalued or undervalued. There was a lot of questions in my mind at the time, and I want to be answered. So luckily, I found Tracy YouTube video, and then I decided to contact her and sign up for her course. And there's a lot of value in the course. Tracy had guided us 100% all the way from choosing the right platform, open the right account for for different purposes, especially how you can do your own research on the stock that you're interested in, finding the right fit, the right company for your investment goal, helping you building your portfolio, diversify your portfolio, and the thing I like about that more is that you also can have a lifetime access, like for as a membership at a Discord that you where you can asking the questions, where you can discuss, where you can exchange the information with all the member. One of the tangible results that I achieved in this course is the mindset. Tracy helped me see the bigger picture of my investment journey as a long-term investor. I am now more confident, no longer panicking or fear missing out. I am more patient. I'm sticking with my high conviction stock, so I can sleep well at night. As Tracy always say, choose the company that you understand, choose the company that grow, and make a lot of dough. By the way, I can see the light in the end of tunnel now, because I know now I can make a passive income with the option play thanks to Tracy. This course is done wonder for me. I would highly recommend it for everyone. Just sign up for it and you won't regret it. Thank you.